gosh, it's kind of been divine appointments, the grace of God, like connecting the dots throughout over time. And but I feel like deep down I've always known that this is what I'm called to. So I'm just looking to be, as Jordan Peterson would say, long obedience in the same direction. Sorry, Eugene Peterson, Jordan Peterson.
This was the first
completely different. You probably heard of
different people.
False quote. Yeah, Eugene Peterson. Long obedience in the same.
To those still feeling the
If you missed any of today's
1060.
they're not, moms and dads aren't driving around in Canada. So what does that tell you
Light works.
about what the cause of is here?
Run the light through the dimmer switch.
Yeah, it's a fascinating one.
It is. Europe has plenty of formula.
Headlight
And we
switch.
could import that formula.
No, we can't. We can't. The
No,
wrong
we
label.
could.
No, it's the wrong label, Stu.
That is the problem.
Right.
Is that it's
The
labeled
orange
incorrectly
headlight
as
switch.
our standards,
The
which
FDA knows what a label should look like.
Two blacks on the
You want
bottom
to just
of the ground.
higgledy throw baby formula at babies and
Black
let them
in the middle
eat
is
stuff
the
that
speaker.
you
No
don't
voice.
have the right labeling of? Are you
but
insane?
went through the European safety standards, which many argue are higher
No,
than ours.
they're not. No, they're not. They stop in France. They stop
Yellow for speaker.
abortion at 11 weeks. You think those are higher standards?
Can't trust those people.
They won't let you kill babies after 11 weeks. You're gonna just say, hey, here's some.
And at this time, I definitely.
The race lottery. The new deadline is June 4th, and there's no lottery this time. Registration for the virtual race is also extended.
We're going to do on just a few quick. A food supply expert has warned that world food shortages now just 10 weeks away. But don't worry, seriously. We've got him on the job. He's ready to go. At any time
He's here.
there's
I don't think this one
when there's
been very long.
a shortage of wheat, sure, we could help our farmers out. Sure, we could open up natural gas, the fertilizer, or lower the price of diesel, which our trucks and our tractors need. But phone to me by my producer and lead researcher, Jared Yamamoto.
I was in a wind shade before 98 now.
Yeah, those two words.
This is actually going to be helpful.
I don't think that's a good one. Misinformation.